I keep waiting for you to call. I'm thinking that I'm gonna need a miracle. Wasted again.
Good morning vlog, it's your girl Kimoi Janet and welcome back to another YouTube video. We don't want to talk loud because it's really early. It's currently 6 a.m. and I'm about to do my hair. I wanted to refresh it from last night, but we really just wasn't having it. So now I feel like I might do a whole rewash, but we're going to rinse it out. We're going to condition it because it's like that for like almost an entire, well, it was an entire week. So might refreshing it today. It deserves a proper refresh. But yeah. Anyways, the conditioner and shampoo that I'm going in with, it's the Millie. This one, she smells so good. She like, it smells so good. Pomegranate and honey, perfect combination. So as you can see me here, kind of really crusty, like really crusty. So we're gonna wash it out. So my hair vlog, yeah, this is it after the wash. I really don't dry it out because that's what I really use to like get it to be like snatch and so on. So products that I use afterwards to like moisturize, it's this product. I use the oil and I use the leave-in at once, and then I also use some argan oil snot to like really snatch my hair back. And I don't know, we already use a brush to support the snatchness. Now, first thing I got to do is partition my hair. This is not a hair video, but I'm really just looking out for the girls who are like me, who wanna go back home here. So I really want my hair to like maintain the water. So can twist it, but I don't have to. I can just put my elastic band around it. So I'll do that for the entire thing and partition it, because the partition will help me to like put my hair in the bun when I comb it out. Alright, so I always like to start by like detangling my hair while it's still wet, especially because we just wash and condition it. So as you can see, like you can really like smooth out. Use a smaller side. Alright. You guys don't mind the wet stains, but yeah. So as I said, we're going with my oil. I'm gonna keep this one in. This is my workstation when I'm finished. But yeah, the bun is snatched, the ponytail is snatched, and so we're gonna move on with the rest of our day. It's a Sabbath morning, so happy Sabbath and welcome to the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, right? For some really fire content. I'm really putting in the effort in ensuring that you guys get a vlog every week, right? And so I'm trying to ensure that this weekend is a fun weekend. I'll still try and ensure that I upload this Sunday. So guys, I know I'm not putting like good work, like quality work, alright? Anyways, I'm gonna drink something warm anyhow, and I'm gonna clean up first, then get something warm to drink and my breakfast, and then I'll check back in with you guys. Or yeah. God, you must think I'll be joking. Let me tell you something, I have like the best, sorry for the shakiness. You must be thinking I'm joking when I tell you that I have the best mommy on planet Earth. Like, look at that. With some matcha latte. Perfect. Perfection. Perfection. Anyways, I gotta get eating because I have to get ready to go to church. Alright vlog, so I'm gonna do a little light makeup. So really and truly, I'm going in with my 2-in-1 concealer, foundation plus concealer, guys. This is just like a drugstore brand and it works for me. It really blends easily into my skin. Well, this look like in the matches me, but it does. And I usually just put it all over my face except under my eye, because yeah, you have to brighten up under there. And I don't have any bright concealer, but usually my mom's foundation is a little bit lighter than mine, so it works for me. Period. So we usually just cover up all of my spots and all of my hyperpigmentation and just my skin overall. Anyway guys, I'm leaving out of this little bag. Let me dress back a little bit more. Oh, I didn't even show you guys my dress, but I'll get into that soon. Let's My mom has on her clothes already, so I'm like ready to. So when she said ready, we're ready. Get like a little spoolie brush, so I haven't blended out my little concealer foundation, but I got a spoolie brush and I usually just follow the line of my eyebrow. By the way, this is just a like, what is it? It's called Clean Color with a K, and also a beauty supply brand. I guess I don't really know much, but I do. The which I do know is that I got in a beauty supply store in Jamaica, and does it have a color name? No, it doesn't have a color number, but it's the really dark brown. So I'm push it over. So I got some concealer on the back of my hand. This is how my face is looking before I conceal my eyebrows. Not much, just a quick angle brush and just clean up the edges. Make it look sharp. For the next side. Alright, so I usually like to put a little here and a little here just to brighten up. If you let me have too much concealer on my hand, but we're going to trip. We're going to trust the process. Yeah. I like to put it on my chin too. These are the spots that I highlight a little. Wee wee! Use this one for my foundation, as you can tell, and this one for my concealer. So first I'm gonna start with under my eye. Not too white. Just a little dab. And I go down to the corner. And I go up a little just to highlight the cheekbones. So right now this is how my face is looking. Very simple, I think it's looking very plain and flat, which is fine for me. I don't like to have a lot of road makeup. I love when it's natural for church, because I mean it's church, I really don't need to do a lot. But just to ensure that it's blend properly, I just use my sponge on the opposite side of where I did the makeup. I just like blend it all over my skin. Anyways, now I'm going in with the black opal. This is my mom's own, so really it's not even my makeup. And the same beauty blender with the angled end. Oh wait, this is the cream one. This is not even a powder one. BRB vlog. So this is the finished look, right? And I'm gonna grab my Bible, which is on the table, and I'm also bringing my scarf because in the church can get really cold at times. But yeah, overall this is the look for this Sabbath, and I really love it. Like, I really spent some time getting ready this morning, and I did a little makeup, a little light beads for. So yeah, I really love it. So I hope you guys enjoy this Sabbath. Get ready with me. So we're off to church now, and I'll see you in the evening. So I just woke up from a nap, and I'm going on the road to just go to mini shopping, honestly, just to get a little stuff. But oh my god, that nap was like crazy. Overall, let me give you like a recap on the day. So overall at church, it was good. I think the service was really great. It was a fasting and prayer day, which we didn't know that, so we had breakfast before church, but that's fine. It was my first time being in a service where we were anointed and so on. So it was really, I mean, the experience overall was good. The sermon and the prayers, we had time to pray, and it was really just heart touching. But guys, they just drain my energy. Like, one feel tired or down big on bed. So yeah, I'm dressed. I just changed my leggings and I put on a t-shirt. So we're gonna head out on the road and see what we get. Okay, if we get something interesting, I might give you a haul, but I'm bringing you guys along with me. So let's go. Tag the Instagram down below so you can come. They'll have everything. Even shapewear, cute purses, cute shoes, cute dress, everything nice. Everything nice. Oh, look, beach dress, two-piece set. Oh, cute. Good morning vlog. So it's the next day, so that means today is Sunday, and I just made my coffee, my two-week coffee, right? I decided that since I'm already in the kitchen, I'll just clean up while I have my coffee, because it's now 6:42 and the place is kind of messy from yesterday's dinner. So yeah, I'm gonna clean up. That's why mom wake up if you plan to make breakfast and everything. She don't feel too frustrated with the mess that's here. And plus, I probably will make something for me to eat before that time. Maybe I'm not really hungry, guys. So yeah, so I'll just have my coffee and then get cleaning so you guys can watch me clean up, right? And I really don't have a specific like to do for today. We're just doing it like spontaneously. We're just going by. So I did change my sleepwear and put on these clothes because I don't wear my sleepwear around the house. Yeah. So anyways, let's get cleaning. So come with me. Alright, do it with me.
I just wanna feel your love. I just wanna know how you feel, baby. I just wanna go where your love take me. I'm losing my sanity, you taking me under. For you I surrender, you're making me land on other side of gravity. Boy, you got me under. Boy, you got me fond of. Yeah, boy, you got me in love. I can't ignore it. I wish you noticed me. I wish you knew the emotion provoked in me. Let me live. Let me live again. I'll take no more from you. You got my soul. Oh, you let me fly. You let me go. Oh, now you're gonna see it. Gonna see it clearly. You go out on the weekend. You want me, then you leave me. take you on the ride of your life. Don't ever stop. Give me your touch, give me your love, give it some more. I'm losing my sanity, you taking me under. For you I surrender, you're making me land on other side of gravity. Boy, you got me under, boy, you got me fond of. Yeah, boy, you got me in love. I can't ignore it, I wish you noticed me. I wish you knew the emotion provoked in me. Let me live, let me live again. I'll take no more from you. You got my soul, oh. You let me fly, you let me go, oh. Now you're gonna see it clearly. You go out on the weekend, you want me then you leave me. You got my soul, oh. You let me fly, you let me go, oh. Now you're gonna see it clearly. You go out on the weekend, you want me then you leave me.
Overall, the surfaces are clean and fresh, but I'll have to turn my coffee into an iced coffee because it's cold. So if not, turn it into iced coffee. So anyways, I'm gonna wipe the floor. I'm gonna finish straightening up a little bit more. Wipe the floors, sweep my room, sweep the dining area, and just freshen up the place because it's Sunday. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoy like part of the vlog, that cleaning aspect. I'm not sure what you guys want, honestly. So hope you guys enjoy the cleaning part of the vlog. So I'll see you when I'm doing something more interesting because girl. Okay guys, so it's very easy for me to make iced coffee. So just like how you make any tea or coffee, that's how you do it, and then just add ice. For me personally, you add your favorite milk or whatever. But right now I'm going to make some grand cinnamon roll, and it's already iced, and all you have to do is like warm it up, but you have to keep it in the fridge. And how you create it, how you open it, I think you just pop it open. I don't remember. How you open it again? I don't remember. But you have to twist the container. That feels very weak. Alright, so just crack it open. And you have cinnamon. Where ice in there? Oh, ice in there. Oh, maybe if you start up here, so CB was going to start here. It's not a bit. 2 minutes coffee. Mommy, I want to always drink. Don't make me feel. You don't like it? I first had to say. Okay.
You know the jerk chicken good last night.
Really?
Burn, a lot of burning in it.
You figure. You can smell it. It's
Fire them too high.
Are you ready? Yeah, they put up with this man in the first one.
Good, thank you.
This one is pulling apart. Listen, mommy, yes, let me try one still. So I just put my doughs onto the platter and then put them into the oven or air fryer. You can put this in the air fryer. But it's on the directions it did say air fryer. I'm not sure if you can put it in the microwave. But I should grease the pan first. Crap me out. Fine, I'll do this up. Whatever you're baking,
Depending on what we're wearing.
to wear. So, alright, and I should bake it for 9 minutes. Can go, so we're not going to turn it. Alright guys, so it's going to be baked and I'll show you when it's finished. Trying to remove the icings. So this is the icing that came into the container. It is so good. I love it. 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 So next thing you see on the schedule for today will be us going to the beach around maybe 11-12, and then hopefully we'll go to the movies later. Either we'll watch Bad Boys 2 or not Bad Boys 2, Bad Boys or Inside Out 2. So I'll see what movie we decide on as a group and which one is playing today at what time. So yeah, and hopefully I can grab gelato because I really want some gelato. So yeah, so keep enjoying the enjoyments and things and just my random days. They're so good. So guys, this is the finished product. It look good. Yes, taste your face spoon.
Are you doing that?
Yeah, so done it.
Yes.
So we're all tasting one. One of them was for mommy too. Wait, how much is
Yes,
that?
no, say more than enough. 1, 2, 3, 4. I felt definitely.
One I woke up. Yes. You should have name open.
Why string come out?
No, the man take a...
Is that show everybody?
Yeah, that's your turn now. That's why you go those.
Come down here.
Push over there.
What is?
So
Yeah.
say half your thing.
Yeah, half me. I'm
Oh,
I'm going to come by my half.
Your turn.
If you never this.
Take one picture, see man. What's mine?
Yeah, put your feet thumbnail.
Thumbnail.
What?
Like I did.
It's so tasty.
Like a Python.
G.
Come. Warm. See, I know you just want that open. Half a one. Half a one.
Yeah.
Alright, cheers, guys.
1, 2, 3.
Cheers.
Bam. Hold on. Hold on. Just like cute now, one.
No, that drip.
Give me pound. Thank you.
My body not before, can we just write this?
Masam sa inyo mo. Meron ng cute. Guys,
I drink one time.
why is not focused? Focus, camera. Yeah. Look at it. Look at the eyes, man.
One of them are feeling.
Look inside of it. Oh my lord.
So one day I feel it.
It's so beautiful. Oh my
Guys, with my
lord.
coffee.
So, welcome
Put a
back.
napkin there. I don't cause it a drip. I don't want it to drip all over our house.
Big drip. So hi guys. Oh guys, follow me on Instagram. My name is
TikTok.
What my name on Instagram? Tories that underscore, you know, the one and only.
I want one.
Don't follow me. I don't like people. My name is Tanaj on Instagram and on TikTok.
No. What's your from TikTok? I'm
Yeah,
like,
confidence.
I don't think little numbers. I think big numbers all the time.
Well, man, can't beat man. You come half bakery.
Let me take you the one packet that is 9 minutes.
At least
It's
in a
not
bun
more.
up.
It's your ear for you.
At least in a
Yes,
bun
ma'am.
up. That means that she can bake. Okay, make bread for them. What can bake?
Oh,
Oh,
mother
can
baker.
bake.
Mother baker, so.
But you see, me have
it's
right
problem.
equipment, them, the right tools, them. It's a good spoil.
To bake. And mother can bake. I don't follow this. I don't follow this.
Mother can bake and sister. Everybody can bake.
It's a video?
Can bake.
Yeah.
Tell me everything.
We can be.
Every last word.
We can be 2 minutes. No, we can be a bread pudding. I can say that can bake.
Come on.
That looks.
Wow. I cannot bake
We
it.
need one piece like that.
Leave me alone now. You can't get ready quick like me. In time already, I'm going through the door now. So you better go get ready.
Should be better. I can answer
You make sure make come I tell you.
She make her ready her morning time. Ready her first and then she said, when we going to be ready, if you're going to be here, if you can start.
You can't already, me not ready nobody. But that's ready for this. You ready, Johnny?
Yeah.
So I changed into my workout / beach fit, and so we'll be heading off to the beach in a few. Alright, we'll be going to Governor's Beach, as you guys already know. That's my favorite beach. That's all of us' favorite beach. So this is the fit. I'll be throwing on my running shoes when I get there, because I might do a beach walk. Maybe not. Alright vlog, we're here. It's so sunny outside. Oh, I love it. Love it. And I'm already here. So we're gonna take a beach walk and then we're gonna plunge into the water. Yes, Mama? Where is it? You think there's a ship home? Where is that?
keep waiting for you to call. I'm thinking that I'm gonna need a miracle. Wasted again. I tell my friends I'm feeling like you're coming, cause I feel the sun. For the special touch you give, I'm needing it more than I ever did. I don't wanna be a sacrificing love. Before you I will.
Jesus. Real talk, and that's something we're buying to everyone. I'm ready. Come in.
You should be here with me. No wasting time, yeah, you've been on my mind. Don't overthink it, you were there from the start when my heart became yours. Don't say we're over. You should be here with me.
Alright vlog, so we're about to go to the Westin Hotel, right? And get some snacks and juice. Yeah. So I'm put on tea. So we're doing that. The beach was a good time. We had a time, but we're just moving next door. Oh, what that, mommy? Something open.
I keep waiting for you to call.
So guys, right now we're at Westin Hotel and we're just hanging out by the pool. Hopefully we can get something to snack on, guys. We're not that hungry, but we're gonna eat something warm, like fries. What are you gonna have? Fries, some potato salad, yeah, some and chicken strips probably. So anyways, I'll show you guys like a little montage of the place and the pool. And yeah, we're about to have a little time and hang out. Alright folks, so I ordered fish tacos with fries, and so we're just waiting for a meal. And while we wait for a meal, we just decided to swim on and enjoy our time here. So I'll catch you guys when we're eating so you can see our meal. I hope you guys are enjoying this video, and if I'm not talking, or I don't even know how the vlog is going so far, but I hope you guys are really enjoying it. And yeah. So I'm about to send out some emails while I have my snack and a little iced tea. And yeah, I'm just going to send out these emails and watch some monk and relax myself.